Family constellation therapy is based on the idea that problems come down through generations to cause stress in the present life. During the session, the therapist connects the client to the morphogenic field. This field contains all the information and memories and specific energies of a particular group. The group can be a family, community, or country, or even an entire population of the world. Because this energy field contains all of the knowledge from the group, it can help us understand the sources of our issues even if no one has told us the facts. In this field of knowing, the client can break out of the family patterns that cause suffering. Once he gets an experience of the origin of the issue, it is easy for him to step out of the entanglement. Alfred Adler was the first to use the term family constellation to refer to the bonds and the sense of belonging that existed within families. Family constellation theory was developed by a German therapist named Bert Hellinger. Constellation therapy is based on the following concepts: multi-generational trauma. Multi-generational trauma means whatever happened in your family line can affect the way you think, feel, and behave. One person's grief, fear, or anger influences the entire family. Because family members are connected in the morphogenic field, they all feel effects of things that has happened in the past, things that have happened before them, and they don't even know what they are. The next concept is the orders of love. Hellinger identified several orders of love. The most important ones are that everyone in the group has the same right to belong, and everyone has their own rightful space that should be given to them. Excluded family members. You might think that your family would never exclude a family member, but unfortunately it happens all the time. In constellation, we see the excluded family members whom we are not in touch with at all, like babies who were miscarried or aborted, babies or children who were given away for adoption, family members who died, especially if they died young, ex-spouses and partners from prior relationships, family members who no longer have contact with the rest of the family for various reasons. These excluded family members continue to affect the entire family. If another family member takes their place, this new member may take on the emotional struggles, addictions, and physical illnesses of the member who was there prior to them. Drive to belong is the biggest drive in the family which influences every member. And the biggest thing that they want is that need for belongingness. Hidden loyalties. Within the family, we all have loyalties. Sometimes, according to family constellation theory, we have loyalties to family members who died before us, or family members we have never met. These hidden loyalties can lead us to follow patterns, develop habits, and make unhealthy choices we can't understand based on factual information we have. Family constellation therapy can help us to understand these loyalties which are driving us and making us make choices that are not ours. So if you're struggling to find the root of persistent health issues, family constellation therapy may be a perfect solution for you. You can identify the source of your problem and work through them with a trusted therapist. Enjoying a fulfilling life with lasting relationships and healthy family dynamics is possible. Know that it did not start with you, but you have the power to end it.